Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download a flat file in Amazon Seller Central for bulk uploads. This can save you a lot of time. The first step is to log into your Amazon Seller Central account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the main dashboard. Navigate to the menu in the top left corner. Then select Add Products via Upload under the Catalog option. This will redirect you to the bulk upload page where you'll see several options. To download the flat file, go to the first option. Select the option List products that are not available on Amazon. Next, choose the category that matches the products you want to upload. It's important to select the category that best fits your product. For instance, if you're uploading electronics, choose the electronics category. You can search for the relevant category using the search bar, then select the category. You'll see the number of selected categories displayed. Once you've chosen your template type, click on Generate Template. Amazon will prepare the file, and after a few seconds, the flat file will be downloaded to your computer. Review the selected category carefully, and once you're satisfied, click on Generate Template. After downloading, open the file in a spreadsheet program like Excel. Now you'll see multiple worksheets in the downloaded file. Click on the template sheet to start filling in the product information. Here you'll see all the columns that Amazon needs for bulk uploading your products. Once you're done filling out the flat file, save it. After saving, go back to Seller Central and return to the Add Products via Upload page. Under Upload Your Spreadsheet section, upload your inventory file, and Amazon will process it. In the Spreadsheet Download History section, you'll see the downloaded flat file, and under Spreadsheet Upload Status, you can check the status of all uploaded files. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and prepared a flat file for bulk upload in Amazon Seller Central. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more Seller Central tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.